Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into the features of the Sierra Grates Precision Flow 4 inches by 10 inches steel floor register, a perfect blend of durability and style for your home. Designed to fit 4 by 10 inch duct openings, this register ensures a precise match, so measuring your duct size before purchasing is crucial. Crafted from robust steel with a 1.5 mm thick faceplate, it boasts a resilient paint finish that promises long-lasting performance. The engineered steel damper features a foot-friendly control lever, making airflow adjustments effortless and ideal for high-traffic areas. With its contemporary design and clean lines, this register seamlessly enhances any home decor style. Installation is a breeze with its tool-free setup, and it comes in various sizes and colors to suit your needs. Upgrade your home with these premium vent covers and enjoy the perfect combination of functionality and modern aesthetics. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.